In this video, I'm going to show you how the camper mode works. So the camper mode is it's not something I invented. Some people claim that it's Björn, he invented it. No, I probably made it more famous, but there was someone else who figured out how the camper mode works. And what is the camper mode? Well, the camper mode is in Tesla. It's a way to keep the heater and the circulation, the airflow running, pretty much the heater, or in summer it will be the air condition running constantly. Because if you don't use the camper mode, the screen and everything, the heater or whatever, will shut off automatically after half an hour. Even if you sit on the seat, if you sit still on the seat after half an hour, it will cut off the power. So the camper mode will keep it running. And yeah, we use it for when we sleep in the back here. So here you go. I'm gonna show you how it works. First, you have to put the car in neutral. So we're gonna put it in neutral like this and keep a foot on the brakes, because yeah, you don't want it to roll. Keep it on there, and then apply the parking brake. There. Now I can let go of the brakes. The car is still in neutral, which means it's in drive mode, or whatever you call it. That means the car will not stop. I mean, it will, not switch off heater or whatever. Next thing you should do is switch off the main headlights. So because the car is in drive mode, you can't completely shut off the light. So the light, the LED, the DRL will always be on when you are in the sleeper mode. We can actually, see, I'm gonna show you. Just exit the car for a bit, and you see, this one will always be on throughout the night. So yeah, I mean, if you want to sleep somewhere discreet, then you have to, I don't know, cover it with a blanket or something. I don't know. And this is usually how they do it at some service center. I see they show off the car at night, and the light is always on. The next thing you should do is of course lock the car. But if you lock the car with a key like this, it's not safe, because the car has comfort access. So anyone, if you're asleep, anyone can just push the handle and it will unlock itself. So what you should do is, that's the next step, is to lock the car from within the screen. If you do this, I can't show it now, but people can't unlock it from outside. So what else? Well, there's a small detail, I guess. You probably want to dim the screen down a bit, because otherwise it's going to be too bright. So I just dim it all the way to 0, and that's usually fine. Yeah. And in the morning, when you wake up, to exit the camper mode, you just press the brakes and then put it in park like this. It's off. Yeah, it's like back to the normal parking state. You can now switch off the light completely. I think you have to do this and this. Now you see it, light is off. Yeah. So that's the camper mode.